Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to link your Epic Games account with for the PS5, then this video is for you. So first you have to open the PlayStation here. So let me show you from the very beginning. So I'm going to go to the store. So you have to go to the store.epicgames.com, and after entering this URL, you can find Epic Games official webpage from where you can find your profile icon and the profile name. If you can find it, you can find the login button. Make sure that you are logged into your account using your login credentials. Then you can simply click on the profile name here, and you can find the account option here. Simply click on account. Now from here you can find the linked accounts, and if you want to link your Epic Games account with your in your PS5, then you can simply click on the PlayStation Network and simply click on the link, and make sure that you have you just know that about your about your PS5 account, Gmail and the password and login credentials, other login credentials. And here you can see you're signed into the Epic Games as this Gmail here. So I have just using this Gmail here, so it has just showing me that. And you can find some instruction like connecting your account for PlayStation Network will allow you to share your profile data, game progression, purchases, and earned game content with your Epic Games account. So simply here you can see once you have connected your account for PlayStation Network to your Epic Games account, you will not be able to connect a different account for PlayStation Network to it. So hope you are be aware and keep it mind on your mind. So simply click on connect accounts, and it will lead you to the Sony website where you can find the Sony PlayStation official website. So where you can enter the sign in ID or the email address that you have used to create a PS account or PlayStation account on Sony. So you just need to enter it, and then you have to simply add a password here, or you can simply click on create account to create a new account on PlayStation, and you can use this account from here. So simply click on create, and you can use this new account here. So you have to complete all of the creation process from here. Requirements, give the required information, and you are good to go. So I'm going to just go back. So whenever you have just signed in, so whenever you just sign in to your PlayStation, then it will ask for the confirmation. Then simply click on the confirm or link button anywhere you found. Then you can find that there will be prompted like a remove button instead of this link button. When you can find that there is a remove button, that means you have just connected or linked your Epic Games account to your PlayStation or PS5, so PlayStation Network. So make sure that you have used that PlayStation Network account in your PS5, and you can just you can actually access the Epic Games, the same account that you have on your PC. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.